Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore today. I am going to teach you how to factory reset Electrolux dryer. Follow these steps. Step 1. Ensure the dryer is turned off and unplugged from the electrical outlet to avoid any risk of electric shock. Step 2. Open the dryer door and locate the control panel. Look for a reset button or reset option in the settings. Note: some models don't have a physical reset button, so you may need to perform a combination of actions. Step 3. If there is a reset button, press and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds to initiate the factory reset process. Step 4. For models without a reset button, press and hold the start button along with the cancel button for around 10 to 15 seconds. This will reset the dryer system. Step 5. After the reset, plug the dryer back in and turn it on. The dryer should return to its default factory settings. Step 6. If the dryer does not reset or shows any error codes, refer to the user manual for troubleshooting steps or contact Electrolux support for assistance. Step 7. Test the dryer by running a short cycle to ensure it is functioning properly after the reset. Thanks for watching the video.